Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can create a pie chart in Canva. So in order to add a really nice pie chart into your design, first you have to go to the Elements menu, and then you want to scroll down a bit and find the section that's called Charts. You want to click on it, and then you will see there is a pie and donut chart that you could use on your presentation or your Canva design. For example, I'm going to be choosing this pie chart. And this is the result. This is actually interactive, meaning that if you hover the cursor, it will change color, meaning that you can basically interact and you can learn more about the chart. And of course, you can also change the value of each section of the chart. So for example, if you go to the left side of the screen, there is this section where you can change the number. So let's say the item 1 is 10, but I'm going to change it to, let's say, 50. And if I hit enter, it will change the proportion of the chart automatically. So that's the most beautiful thing of this feature. You don't have to manually adjust the size like using shapes or graphics. This is something that integrated with the data, so that's really cool. You can change everything, like you can also change the color. Changing the color is here. So for example, if I change the color to maybe red, this is the result, and you can change it to whatever color that you want. And let's go back to edit again, and then there's also labels. This is labels like what is the name of this text. You can select which rows of the data that you want to use as a label, and for the value is, well, it's quite obvious. It's just what rows in this data that you want to use as the value. So if you go to the settings menu, you'll see that there are two options. There is a percentages and there's also numbers. So it's only showing you the number, but it's not going to change the proportion. It's just what format of value that you want to use. And lastly, there is an option to enable legend. If you want to know more about this data, like the name or the label, that's very useful. And you can also remove this label, so there's only legend. I think it's usually only one that you want to use. You can either use labels or legends, and that's totally up to you which one that you think is the best. So I guess that's basically it. Also you can change the font of the data. So if you click on the chart and then you click the font, you can change to whatever font that you find the best for the chart. So if I change that to Arimo, you can change it to League Spartan. Yeah, so there are many options right here, but unfortunately it's not loaded apparently because of my internet connection. But yeah, I think that's basically it. That's how you can create a pie chart in Canva.